Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing this full makeup look here using some new techniques. Now, I watched a lot of L.J's makeup tutorials. I did come across a video where she's just showing some makeup tips that will really transform my makeup. I've been very outdated with my makeup, guys. It's so bad. But I needed to watch this video and really implement them to see how it could change my makeup. And when I tell you guys, it's really changed my makeup. It's really changed my makeup. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved today's look and all of the tips that L.J has recommended and how I implemented it into my makeup routine, then just continue to watch. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed, hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. And if you are a new sister, make sure you are subscribed. And without further ado, let's just get into this makeup look. Alright guys, so brows are already done. Like I said in my intro, we are going to be trying some new makeup techniques that will enhance my makeup. Now, I've been needing this because I've been out of date when it comes to my makeup. I've been going through some things, guys, and I feel like I need to make a separate video for that, like a chit chat, get ready with me type of video where I'm explaining what's really been going on with me, why I've been just so outdated with everything. I finally changed my setup. I'm just trying to get back into my YouTube bag. Like, I'm trying to get back, so bear with me. Anyways, I've been watching a lot of L.J's makeup tutorials, guys. She's changing the game right now. She's hooking us up with just new techniques, new trends. Her makeup is always flawless, so who else is better to follow? So she came out with a video, I think it's called Makeup Hacks That Will Transform Your Makeup. So I'm gonna be putting it to the test in this video. I'm going to follow everything she's been recommending. So the first thing she's recommended was to really take care of your skincare, use products that really enhance your natural glow. Now, she used this product by L'Oreal. I think it's the Lumi Shine, and it's really just a glow enhancing product. I don't have that. I am gonna go in with the Indeed Nano Bronzing Drop, and this is just going to really enhance my natural glow, give me a really nice glow from within, and just enhance my makeup. So you do apply these products before you go in with your foundation, and it's just going to give you a very natural looking glow to your skin. So I like to just pump some on the back of my hand, maybe 2 pumps, and then I just apply it to my skin. And then I'm gonna take my damp beauty sponge and blend it out. And what that's doing is giving me a nice glowy complexion. This doesn't necessarily get rid of any hyperpigmentation or any dark spots, but it does really enhance your look overall. So she was applying hers just in this exact way as well. So she applied it on her skin first, and then she blended it out with a damp beauty sponge. All right, so the skin is skinning. It is looking glowy, fresh. We are liking it. All right, so the next thing she went in with was her foundation. Now, she said to avoid any foundations that aim to give you glow, because you don't want to apply a glowing product and then apply another glowy product on top of that. You know, the oils just won't work with each other, and it's just not a good look. So she recommends going in with a mattifying foundation or just a natural foundation. So I've been loving my Makeup by Mario foundation, so we are going to be using this today, and we're going to do the same thing, just pump it on the back of my hand. And then I just like to apply it in sections before I blend it out. Now, because I want a more natural look, I'm gonna go in with my sponge, but if you want a more full coverage look, then you could go in with your blending brush or your buffing brush. All right, so you guys could see that my skin is still glowy. You could still see the glow peeping through from underneath, and that is exactly what she was saying. You want to just ensure that you're still getting that glow in your skin. I think I'm on the right track. I think we're doing real good. So the next thing has to do with lifting your face and your concealer and your blush and all that. So let's see what I could do with the products I have. So what she did was apply 2 different concealers. So she said to use a concealer that is about 4 to 5 shades lighter than your natural complexion. So pretty much a concealer that's going to really brighten your look. And then you want to go in with your like your basic concealer, what you would use to highlight with. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. My e.l.f. one was my Hydro Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Beige. So a lighter concealer, and then your close to your skin tone concealer. And then you want to go in with a cream blush or a liquid blush. I have my e.l.f. Putty blush. This is in the shade Bahamas, I believe. So we're going to work with these. I believe she was using the, I forget which one. She was using a liquid blush though, so it had an applicator and she was able to just apply it on her skin, but we're going to do it a bit different today. So what she did was apply the products first. She applied everything first and then she blended out after. We're going to start with the lighter one in the inner corner, and then we're gonna go in with the darker one in the middle. Now for the blush, because I'm not using a liquid blush, I'm using a cream, I'm gonna use an applicator to apply this. And what this does is gives you a more lifted look. All right, so I'm gonna take my concealer brush and start blending everything out. And then what she does is goes in with her damp beauty sponge to just blend it out further. I feel like the whole purpose of this look is to have a lifted look. So I'm applying my blush in this area up here. It's just going to give me a more lifted look. I want a bit more coverage underneath my eyes, so we're gonna go in with one more layer. All right, so the next step she said was to take a cream bronzer or a cream contour stick, something more cool, she says, so not too harsh. So I am gonna go in with my Merit Beauty Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is in the shade Umbar. And what she did was applied it all over her nose. So we're focusing on the nose contour right now. So she applied it all over her nose. So we're gonna do that. Then she blended it out. And then she went in with her concealer and just applied it on the sides here and in the middle. And you want to take your sponge and just blend in that area, she says. The goal is to keep that contour. You don't want to blend everything out on your nose. You want to keep that line of demarcation where the contour is. And there you have a contoured nose. All right, I'm gonna go in with some powder and just set all of my highlighted areas, and then we'll move on to the last tip that she had in that video. This sponge has transformed my makeup. I don't know why it took me so long to get one of these from Amazon. And these are so inexpensive. I think I bought like a pack of 4. So set my contour as well with a bit of bronzer. All right, so we're moving on to the eyes. Now, this is an eyeshadow hack. So what you want to do is grab your favorite palette. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Nudes palette, Ultimate Nudes palette, and these are what the shades are looking like. So I'm gonna go in with this bronzy gold shade at the top here. And all you're doing right now is just applying it first. So now I'm gonna go in with a darker shade. So I'm gonna go in with this shade at the bottom here. And then next you wanna go in with the deep shade. So I'm gonna go in with this deep brown shade for the outer portion. All right, and what you want to do now is take a blending brush, preferably clean, and what you're going to do is just blend in your crease, and that's going to really just make your eyeshadow look. So she starts on the outer portion and kind of smokes out the edges there and just blends everything. And I can't lie, that was a very quick way to do eyeshadow. Definitely beginner friendly as well. All right, so the eyes are done. I'm gonna quickly finish up my eyes off camera, and then we're gonna move on to the lip hack. All right guys, eyes are done. So the last tip she said was to line your lips with a lip gloss. Now, this is not new to me because I always do this. I think she referenced a video of someone saying that lining your lip and using and wearing lip gloss is like not classy, but I've been doing this for years. Honestly, it compliments Black women and I love it. So we're going to do what we've been doing for years. So I'm gonna take a dark brown lip liner, and I'm gonna take the one I've been using. So this is my LA Girl lip liner in chocolate. We're just going to line the lips. All right, and what you want to do is grab any type of lip gloss. You could use clear, you could use a nude, you could use a pink. Those are usually the types of lip gloss that work well with the brown lip liner. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Lip Vinyl. This is an intense shine lip gloss, and this is in the shade Dollhouse. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Slip Tease Lip Lacquer. This is in the shade First Date. I really wanna just tone down this pink. Okay, I want shine, shine, shine. So I'm gonna go in with my Essence Shine, Shine, Shine lip gloss and add that wet look to this. Yes, that is what we're missing. All right guys, so that is it for this look. Now I can say that my makeup looks completely different than what I've been used to. This eyeshadow hack honestly took like 2 seconds. That's why I've avoided doing eyeshadow for a while, because it's honestly very tedious. But this, I'm actually impressed with these makeup hacks. LJ, girl, thank you. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my final look and just the hacks that I did mention in this video. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. Subscribe again, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.